Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you all the customs I have made so far. So yeah, but this is only going to be for warrior cats. Maybe one day I'll make a video on the random stuff I make, I don't know. But there will be some characters from different parts of the books, so there may be some spoilers here and there, but not too much. So let's start off with Blue Star. She's one of my favorite leaders. A lot of people hate her because how she ended her leadership on ThunderClan. But that's understandable of what happened to her. She obviously just ended breaking after her Tiger Star basically betrayed her. I mean, just think of it. Her mother died at a young age. Her sister died too. Had to give up her kids. And one of them ends up dying in the process. And it's that she's having to give them up so then she can become leader instead of Thistleclaw. Well, and then basically every cat that she ever knew basically dies in front of her eyes, and one of them happens to be Rosetail, that was one of Blue Star's best friends. So, yeah. And here's Snowfur, her sister. I gave them this sparkle look because I wanted them to look like they were from StarClan, but I don't know. Maybe I'll go back and fix it one day. I don't know. And here's my son, Ravenpaw. I love Ravenpaw. You know what? Ravenpaw is just one of those innocent characters that I just love. And for him, I just want to pick him up and hug him and protect him from stupid Tiger Star over there. Or, goodness. He should not have gone through what he did. Well, then again, I could be biased because he's one of my favorite characters, but whatever. Here is Mothwing, the other best medicine cat, with her brother, one of the best villains too. I'll talk about this hair look that I got going on when I talk about Tiger Star. Here's Squirrel Flight, or Squirrel Star now. Bramble Claw now, or Bramble Star when he was later. Here's Brambleberry. She was the medicine cat during the time when she was the medicine cat before Mudfur, to put simply. And she was alive during the time when Crooked Star just became leader, I believe. She was also the same cat that was there when he was a kitten, because of course she was the only medicine cat at the time. Anyways, so here's Scourge, my boy, my other son, that also want to grab him and protect him from his stupid siblings. If anyone asks, I hate Ruby and Socks, but we'll talk about them another day. I also hate his mother, like goodness. Here's Tall Star, my other favorite leader, besides from Crooked Star, Blue Star, and that's it. And here is Thistleclaw, the creep himself. I hate Thistleclaw, because not only is he a creep, only because he tried to get together with an apprentice that one time, aka that being Spotted Paw. But also because I think the Errands just made Spotted Leaf's heart just to justify of why he's in the Dark Forest. If you want my opinion, then there was this Errand, I don't remember which one it was, but they basically said that that Blue Star basically chased Fizzleclaw out of the Dark Forest. I mean, out of the Dark Forest. Out of StarClan into the Dark Forest. Which honestly makes perfect sense to me. Because Blue Star always hated Fizzleclaw, for whatever reason. So yeah, to me it makes perfect sense. I mean, just imagine it. She goes to StarClan, sees Fizzleclaw cuddling with her sister, and she's like, no, leave. And Snowfur's like, no, that's my mate, no. Like, I could so see it. Here's Breeze Paw, or Breeze Pelt. Brightheart. I think I may redo her one day, I don't know. Here's Hands Down, or Paws, because we don't have hands in this universe. Yellowfang. The other best medicine cat. Sorry Yellowfang, but Jayfeather, best medicine cat. Paws down again. Or hands, I don't know. Here's Ashfur. I used to hate him, but now he's one of my favorite villains because of the new books. But one day we'll talk about him, I think. Don't worry, buddy. We'll get to you one day. I promise. Here's Maple Shade. One of my second favorite villains. Everyone hates her. A lot of people hate her. But to me, if I was in the argument, I think Maple Shade was just in a panic mode. Because, I mean, think of it. Your clan kicks you out and your kits because they find out that your kits is the children of the cat that supposedly killed the deputy. Supposedly killed one of the other cats in the clan. I say supposedly because it makes no gosh darn sense in my eyes. Because if we're following that logic, shouldn't River Clan be saying that is Red Tail's fault for killing Oakheart? I'm just saying. Anyways, here is Black Star, aka Souls, aka one of my other favorite villains, Boyfriend. Number one favorite of them all, Darktail. I based Darktail's design off of some creepypastas, like Jeff the Killer, for example. Well, I think I did a good job at that. I think I did. Because I wanted to portray him as some character that could be in a horror movie. Because in the books, he's pretty scary. He's kind of like the boogeyman. So yeah. Or the boogie cat. In this case. Here is Snowtuff. I was very upset when Snowtuff and Darktail died in the new books. Like, I was very upset about that. Here's Leafpool, aka Mothwing's girlfriend. Holly Leaf. I wanted Hollyleaf and Jay Feather to look more alike. Because, I mean, it makes perfect sense since they're brother and sister. So, I think it would make sense. Here's Firestar, the Bane Syndrome himself, and also the Gary Stu cat, Firestar. Here is Tiger Paw, or Tiger Claw, or Star, whatever you want to call him. Holly Paw. Gray Stripe. Whoops. Red Tail, aka Running Wind's boyfriend. Because in my opinion, I think that makes more sense for Running Wind and Red Tail to be the parents of Sandstorm. Because it makes no gosh darn sense for Brindleface to be the mother. Because then Ashfur is just trying to get together with his niece. Since Sandstorm and Ashfur are half siblings. So, yeah. But if Red Tail and Running Wind were together and they had a Sandstorm, we wouldn't have that problem now, would we? And here comes Tiger Star, a character that I hate. What a surprise. So anyways, so now we get to the explaining of this. So, I wanted Tiger Star to have some resemblance of the characters from The Lion King and his family members. Because whenever I think of Tiger Star, I think of a dork. Like, the way he takes over the clans and stuff makes me think of a dork. So, I googled a image of these cats that had like some mohawk, like this mohawk type of look. And I was like, I want to add that to my design. So, I did this look for all his family members to make it kind of look like they're lions. And yes, if you want the explanation, yes, this is the exact reason why Hawk Frost and Bramble Star kind of look alike. Because, excuse me. Anyways, because Hawk Frost and Mothwing are Bramble Star or Bramble Claw, and oh boy, and Tawny Pellet's half siblings. Specifically, they're younger. Because after Tiger Star became leader, he ends up falling in love with a kitty pet named Sasha. How ironic. But, yeah, we're not going to talk about that. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the customs, and yeah.